Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's time again to cast out my sinking fund, and sinking fund is the mini savings that you do towards future expenses. It's simple as like that. And I have a lot of sinking fund, and every paycheck I put little towards my sinking fund. Super excited how my sinking fund is going this year. Do you have any sinking fund? Then let's cast off it today. Before I do that, let me count the money to see how much I'm going to put in my sinking fund. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 100. I hope everybody's doing very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 75. So let's see. So 150 plus 75. Let me use my calculator. 150 plus 7. So we are going to cast out with 225. Okay. So this is how my sinking fund bundle look like. I do have a few of this in my shop, so in case somebody want to check it out. Yeah, very simple. I know birthdays are coming up. We have a lot of birthdays coming up in May, so I need to save for that. So today I have birthdays, back to school, Valentine, a whole lot of sinking fund here that I'm gonna do. Normally when I get paid, I do little. Like today birthday is getting $5. How is your sinking fund going this year? Have you been cast off in them, or you are just not doing them? Which one is which? Let me be your accountability partner so that you can do your sinking fund, because it's really help. Sinking fund always help me. Like this month, I have to go do my car registration, and I already have the money saved. So just imagine. So sinking fund is really good. So if you don't have one yet, I urge you to set one. I have a lot of videos that I explain sinking fund, how you set it up. Back to school is getting $5. I'm trying to see if I can arrange them. Make it nice. Valentine is getting $50. I know we're gonna spend our Valentine money, so I'm putting $50. Next week is Valentine. Know that we're gonna go out. I don't know where we are going yet, but I've been recommended a Japanese restaurant that me and my husband want to go check it out, and they told me that it's quite pricey a little, so but we have the money. Fun is getting $5. Blessing is getting $5. Self-care is getting $5. Christmas is getting $10. Trash is getting $10. Trash is coming up, but I already have money for this year already. So this one is being saved towards next year. IRS license is getting $10. I know I have a license coming up to be renewed this year. Car maintenance is getting $5. House maintenance is getting $5. Car registration is getting $5. For car registration, I have done our registration already, so I might be taking this money out to go put it in the bank when I do the update for January. Leave collect is at $10. It's coming up already to pay for that. Make the money ready for my husband. Miscellaneous is getting $10. Social media is getting $20. Other holidays is getting $10. And this one is our account. Let me go ahead and do family fund. This one, that one is getting $30 today. I have to make sure I mark it. Then this one is getting $5. Okay, then now is the envelope for everybody, individual envelope. Let me make sure I have one so that I can put it in. So I did change the $20, but let's see. Let me put it here. So each person get $2. And mom get $2. Sister get $2. Efia get $2. Let's see, get $2. I get $2. Erodi get $2. Hope get $2. Then Junior also get $2. But let me change the money here, so I put 3 and I add 5. So each envelope get $2. Okay, so that's all for my sinking fund, and it's full, so I have to take the money out or count the money and take it to my higher savings account. That's what I will do next. So thanks for watching me today. I really appreciate everybody. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.